Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook login error in Jurassic World the game. To know how to fix Facebook login error in Jurassic World the game, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter here. Then in this page you will go to click force stop. After that, in this page you will click and enter here storage. Then you should here to go to click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.